I've noticed a troubling trend in Jamaica. Whenever something good happens, some people refuse to share it because they believe it will make Andrew Holness look good. Honestly, that kind of thinking is frustrating. I don't care about Andrew. I care about Jamaica, my island home, the only homeland I've ever known. If something positive takes place in this country, I'm going to acknowledge it. Whether it happens under a JLP or PNP administration, progress is still progress. The truth is, Jamaicans are far too politicized, and that's not healthy for us as a people. We're quick to speak out when things go wrong, and that's fair. But when something improves, we go quiet? That doesn't make sense. We can't dislike politicians more than we love our country. When politics blind people to national progress, it's Jamaica that suffers. Not Andrew, not Mark, but the everyday people trying to build a future. If a road fix, a school improve, a hospital get new machines, that benefits the people, not the party. And if it happened under any administration, it still counts as a win for the country. Let me be clear, there are no real swing voters in Jamaica. Most Jamaicans already choose side from birth, sometimes even passed down generationally. So even people who say they're not voting still have a party they prefer. Most Jamaicans are fiercely loyal to their political party, whether it's performing well or not. You could speak facts all day and still, you wouldn't convince a die-hard JLP or PNP supporter to switch sides. Because for most people, party comes before policy. Yes, we've seen councillors and MPs cross the floor, but let's be honest, that usually happens after a personal fallout or when they feel they're not being rewarded. That's usually over position, power, or personal gain, not principle. That's politics. It's about position and power. But the average Jamaican on the street, they're not switching parties, even if they completely disagree with what their party is doing. They may be upset, but they remain loyal. So, no one can lecture me about Jamaican politics. I live here. I see it, hear it, and experience it daily. And I'll say this, if we continue putting party loyalty above national progress, Jamaica will remain stuck. I will celebrate good work wherever I see it, no matter who funded it or who cut the ribbon. Because at the end of the day, it's our children who must walk those roads, attend those schools, and rely on that health care. I don't care about Andrew. I care about Jamaica. And if you feel the same, don't stay silent when something good happens. Share it.